another episode of Vlogmas. Right now I'm getting ready because I'm gonna go to a Christmas parade with my family. I'm so excited. I haven't been to a Christmas parade in years, like probably since I was a kid or a teenager. I'm mainly just excited to get out of the house and like dress up kind of. I feel like all I've been wearing are like hoodies and crew necks and sweatpants, so it'd be nice to get a change of environment for the day. I had such a killer yoga sculpt class this morning. I was feeling very brave taking a Saturday morning yoga sculpt class. I usually don't really take weekend classes because I like to just kind of chill and have more of a slow morning. I honestly really love the feeling of waking up early on the weekend so I could really just make use of the weekend, if that makes sense. So I think I'm gonna start going to more workout classes on the weekends. Okay, this is the makeup look for today. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with my hair yet because it's not really giving a lot of volume. Okay, I'm wearing this mock neck long sleeve from Aritzia. It's the brand Sunday's Best. Being that it's a mock neck, I'm kind of inclined to do a slick bun with like a bow. So I think we're gonna do that. Literally got this ribbon from Michael's craft store. Let's just hope it's cute from the back. Is it cute? Hopefully it's cute. The current state of my closet, tragic.